So today we'll see how to create a Telegram chatbot. So to create a new bot or a new Telegram chatbot, we need to click on create new bot. Once we click on create new bot, we will land on this page where we need to select Telegram chatbot. Once we click on Telegram chatbot, we will land on this page where we need to enter our phone number on which we want to create the Telegram chatbot. So I'll just put down my number here and then I'll click on connect. Once I click on connect, a code will be sent on the Telegram page of mine registered on the number that I've mentioned. So now we have the code here with us. Once we enter the code and click on create bot, now we can see the bot has been created. Now we need to enter the bot's name. We can give it any name we want. So I'll give it Turgut as a name, and I can give bot's username which will be visible on the panel. The name should always end with bot, and the bot has been created successfully. Once the bot has been created, we'll land on the edit your chat flow part, which can be used to edit the or configure the chat flow of our chatbot, which will be used during an interaction with the user. So that's all. Thank you.